Hello, I'm taking my dogs for a walk. See, here's Coco, that's being dragged, and then there's Benny. You're crazy, especially Benny. See, he's claiming his territory. Got me. This way, Benny. Benny! Coco! Benny! Oh no. Why? This is hard work. Beware of dog. Let me just untwist. I think that's the wrong way, but Benny. Oh, I was recording. Okay. We made it. Sky Lake. Benny. Stop it, Benny. Alright. Here's the playground. There's some swings and a digger thing. And yeah. And now let's untwist it. Sorry, Coco. I'm sorry I had to be this way. Alright, and now we're going to go up here. Up the stairs. Go on! Benny. Coco! You can do it. Go on, Coco. Come on. Come on, Coco. You can do it. Come on, Coco. This may take a while. Yes. Good job, Coco. Benny. 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 Come on, Benny. Come on. Up some more stairs. Okay. Come on. Alright, here's a big step. Benny made it. Come on, Coco. Come on. You can do it, Coco. This might take a while, okay? Excuse me, Ben. Come on, Coco. Come on. You can do it. Alright, I'll just help her up. Alright. Benny. Up here. Benny. Woo-hoo. Benny. See, Benny makes it up easily. Alright. And now, in our secret lair. Such secretness. The highest point. Right. They like the breeze, but later do they know they're going to go down the slide. Ah. Alright. Are you up for it, Betty? What about you, Coco? Alright, let's go. So, they're going to go on my lap. I'm not sure about Benny. Benny, come on. Oh, sorry. Right. Here, I need their leashes in case when we go down. Right, we're going to go down. Are you ready? For Coco. Alright, we're going down. Come on. Woohoo! Coco! Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Alright, come on, Coco. Alright. thing. Also, they have this monkey bar thing and stuff. But I just don't know how, where it's like hook them or something, you know? Alright. Let's go on the path. Let's go on this way. Okay. Come on, dogs. Coco, Benny. Benny keeps on rushing and then Coco keeps on being dragged. Benny. Benny. What even is it? Oh, nothing. It means we need to fix the leashes. Anytime now. Charge. Also, if you like this video, and comment down below if you want to see another video of this. Then we're going to go to Cherry Park next time. Alright. Come on. Benny! You should just go on the sidewalk, Benny. And then, usually when we come over here, then there's like a big dog over here that keeps on like barking. But I wonder where it is. Maybe the dog's inside. Alright. Also, there's a bike trail up there. We're just gonna show you. Okay. Are you ready? Let's go to the bike trail. See? You used to always go on this bike trail. Like, you go around that like dirt way and stuff, and then go around there, and then either go over there or those two pine trees and that tree without any leaves, or just leave off over there. And then that's a way to like around Cherry Park. We're going to go over here. We're going to go back around the trail. There it is. Okay, let's go. Sorry for the mic description or whatever it's called. I might just edit that out, but that wouldn't be any fun. Alright, so sorry for the wind blowing into the mic. I'll try and cover it up, but I can't. And also I can only use the selfie part of the camera. So yeah. We're almost at the beginning of the park. That's fun. Coco got a little lazy, so I picked her up at the way back. Also, when we first came out, then I forgot to bring my shoes. So I was walking in my socks for across my front yard. And then I noticed. So it wasn't too long since I noticed. Remember to like and subscribe. And then comment down below if you subscribed. So, in the next video, then I'll have a shout out to you.